In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clean, clickable hyperlinks inside Jira comments. If you've ever pasted a long URL into a Jira comment and watched it make your message look cluttered and hard to scan, this process will help. Instead of showing the full web address, you can turn it into clear anchor text that looks cleaner and is much easier for your team to read during issue reviews, handoffs, and stand-ups. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira cloud site or sign in through the Atlassian login page using your own account. Once you're inside Jira, head to the project you're currently working in and open the specific issue where you want to place the link. This can be a task, story, bug, or any other ticket type. The important thing is that you're inside the issue details page before moving on. Once the issue is open, scroll down through the details until you reach the activity area near the bottom. Find the comment field labeled Add a Comment and click inside it. As soon as you do that, Jira opens its rich text editor. You should now see a formatting toolbar appear above the comment area. That toolbar is what allows you to create cleaner, better formatted comments without relying on raw links. Next, move up to the toolbar and look for the link icon, which usually appears as a small chain symbol. Click it once to open the hyperlink tool. This is where you can connect readable text to a destination URL. If you prefer working faster and don't want to leave the keyboard, there's also a shortcut available. First, type the text you want people to click, then highlight it. After that, press Ctrl and K on Windows or Command and K on a Mac. Jira will open the same link insertion tool, which is a great time saver if you add links often. With the link window open, paste the destination URL into the field labeled link or URL. Then, in the text to display field, enter the label you want people to see. Keep it short, specific, and professional so your teammates instantly understand where the link goes. When everything looks right, click Insert to apply it. Before posting the comment, quickly check that the text in your editor now appears as a clickable hyperlink. This final review helps you catch mistakes before the comment goes live. If the link looks correct, move down to the Save button and click it. Your comment will now be posted with a clean, readable hyperlink, making your Jira discussions more polished, more organized, and much easier for everyone on the team to follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.